Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to GM Publishers and the book which we are doing today, English of Prep Class.
Let's open the page number 15. Listen and say the digraph. TH in the given words. Is digraph is TH. When we put T and H together, they make a new sound. Let's say it as in th, as in thumb. 3. Thunder, month, cloth, bath, tooth, and mouth. Now let's see and match the digraph TH to the correct pictures. TH match with mouth, match with cloth,